Peppa's family is growing, and the addition of a new baby, or in this case, a new little piggy, is the perfect reminder to think about fire safety in the home.
Yippee!
So let's cover Fire Safety 101 with a little help from Peppa.
Oh, goody!
Be sure to install working smoke and carbon monoxide alarms on every level of your home, in addition to every bedroom and outside of sleeping areas, like in the hallway. If you already have them, check to make sure they're up to date and the batteries are working. Learn where to place fire extinguishers in your home and how to use them. Make a family fire escape plan. Then practice it twice a year. Our Kidde and Peppa fire safety worksheets on kidde.com/Peppa Pig make it easy and a whole lot of fun. And finally, help fireproof your home by practicing cooking safety in the kitchen and never leaving candles unattended. Thanks for following along for fire safety education with help from your home fire safety experts at Kidde and Peppa Pig.
Hooray! Maggie Puddles!
For more tips and to download Peppa fire safety activities, visit kidde.com/Peppa Pig.